Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a quick look at my new Pristine nail gel. So if you would like to purchase this gel, I will leave the link in the description box below. So a little bit about this gel. It is a thick milky blue gel with iridescent sparkles in it. It's perfect for full sets, overlays, and just a gorgeous gel color. So I like to apply usually around 2 to 3 coats, of course curing it in between each coat, and then finishing it off by applying my favorite gel top coat.